Our focus in Asia is really on two sides. One is the consumer with a couple of joint ventures in auto finance, and the other one is really becoming the bank that helps, help Chinese companies invest in Latin America. So we advise on many of the Chinese companies' investment into Brazil, but we are not really present in the area in the way that other banks might be. We believe that by focusing on Europe and the Americas, it makes sense for us. It's a huge market. As you said, even though the economy doesn't grow as much in Europe, it's really growing very fast in mobile payments. And so, China is interconnected with the world, so it's an issue that requires some attention, but I think what's important, and we've seen that through a very, very big crisis in the last 2 years, is that we have a very solid financial sector. And going back to the earlier question on, how should payments and banks and others be regulated, I think the issue is more how do we ensure that what we have done. Santander was lending €1 billion every day in 2020 during the crisis. We can continue to do that in the future. So again, we need to get that balance right going forward for our citizens and for our economies.
So an event like Evergrande doesn't cause you to sit back and adjust the risk levers at this point?
You always have to be, it doesn't affect us because, but obviously you have to consider that is a new, something surprising, and therefore you have to, take that into consideration as you, think about where do you invest and how do you think about your risks across the company.